Hi everyone, in today's lesson I want to talk about how to solve fractional equations. So please turn to a new page of your notebook, write down the date of today and the learning target. So when we are solving fractional equations, I want you to consider three situations. Okay, so the first one, we have 1 over 2 plus x over 3 equals to 4. Okay, so I have a question. In these situations, how can we remove the denominator 2 and 3? Okay, and my answer is we can multiply both sides with the common multiple of 2 and 3. Okay, it is 6. So in this case, when we multiply the 6 to 1 over 2 and x over 3, we will have 3 plus 2x equals to 24. So as you can see, after we multiply the common multiples on both sides, we can remove all the denominator. Okay, and therefore 2x is equals to 21 and x is equals to 21 over 2. So in the second situation, we have 1 plus 2 over x equals to 3. So again, in this case, we want to get rid of the fraction. So how can we remove the denominator x? Okay, and the answer is we can multiply both sides with x. Okay, so therefore, for the left hand side, we have x plus 2 equals to the right hand side 3x. So again, one step, we can remove all the fraction in the questions. Okay, and therefore 2 is equals to 2x and x is equals to 1. So for the third situation, we have 1 over x plus 4 over x plus 1 equals to 6. So again, we want to remove the fraction as well as the denominator. So in order to achieve this, what should we multiply on both sides? Okay, and the answer is it is similar to the first case. Okay, for the x, you can imagine it is similar to 2, and for the x plus 1, it is similar to the number 3. Okay, and therefore, we can multiply both sides with the common multiple of x and x plus 1. And the answer is x times x plus 1. Okay, so therefore, for the left hand side, we can multiply the term back into the brackets. So that we have x plus 1 plus 4x equals to 6 times x squared plus x. Okay, so again, by multiplying both sides with the common multiples, then we can remove all the fraction in the question. Okay, then we can do the simplification. For the left hand side, 5x plus 1, and for the right hand side, 6x squared plus 6x. Okay, so we can form a quadratic equation. And finally, we can solve it by factorizing it. And we can get the final answer. X is equals to 1 over 3, or x is equals to negative 1 over 2. So with the concept of the three situations, we are able to solve fractional equations. But one more reminder when we are solving fractional equations, that is, we have to consider the denominator. Usually, we can get the answer of x after solving it. Okay, but we have to put the answer back into the question to check if the denominator is 0 or not. And for the denominator, it cannot be 0. Okay, so please check your answer.